Alright, well here's my little Fairbanks ZD engine. You might have seen it in other videos, and I got this running a couple months ago. I've had it for a while. I figured I'd do a start on it. I don't have it tuned perfectly yet. It runs kind of erratically. I do know I do have to replace the mixture needle right there eventually with the reproduction. It's got a pretty deep groove in it where it meets the seat. And of course the tank isn't that original fuel tank, but I believe it was replaced quite a long time ago. It looks worn in, I guess you could say. Yeah, so let's see if it'll start up halfway decently. It's cold, of course. I believe I have enough fuel in it. Let's just see what it does. Being cranky. Yeah, I don't have enough fuel in it. Needle's not closed. There it goes. There we go. She's not running too bad. Let her warm up. Didn't quite want to run today. Still not running right. You can hear it misfiring. 1938, I believe this one is. Running a little too fast. Usually runs a little slower than this. And it jumps around with that cheap little cart. I don't know how well that antifreeze is in there. It was in there when I bought it, and I never bothered to drain it. I did add some water to it when it was low, though. Yeah, I believe it's 1500 RPM at the flywheel and 750, I believe, at the cam. This is what the plate says. Doesn't smoke at all, though, so I'm pretty pleased. I actually believe that muffler is off of one of the big Briggs engines, like a Z or a B. Pretty uncommon muffler, I think, too. Just so happens it's on my ZD. I don't see any reason to change it. Like I said before in another video, it does leak a little bit of oil out of this seal right here. Doesn't hurt anything though. You know, it's not like it's leaking badly. Yeah. It's a nice little engine.